Today, we're taking a look at some of the most dangerous gadgets you can still buy on Amazon. These items may seem cool or useful, but they can also be illegal and pose a serious risk to your safety. From a flamethrower kit for your car to a USB destruct device, we'll show you the gadgets you should think twice about before purchasing. So sit back, relax, and get ready for an exciting journey into the world of prohibited tech. Welcome to Best Cool Tech, your destination for the latest and greatest in tech gadgets. First up, we have the exhaust flamethrower kit from Pertronics. This kit allows you to attach a flamethrower to the exhaust of your car, creating a flame shooting out of the tailpipe. While it may seem like a cool addition to your car, it's important to remember that using a flamethrower on a public road is not only dangerous, but also illegal in most states. The flames produced by this kit can reach temperatures over 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit and can cause serious burns or even start a fire. Not only it's illegal, but also it can cause serious damage to your car and can be a fire hazard. Imagine the looks on the faces of your friends and family when you roll up to a gathering with a flamethrower attached to your car. Next, we have the UZIMO Enhanced Version Super Sensitive Listen Through-Wall Contact/Probe Microphone Amplifier System. This device is a compact and portable microphone that can amplify sounds through walls, ceilings, and floors. It's designed for law enforcement and private investigators, but it can also be used for illegal activities such as espionage or stalking. The potential for abuse of this device is high, as it can be used to listen in on private conversations without the consent of all parties involved. This is a serious violation of privacy and can lead to legal consequences. Imagine being able to listen in on your neighbors' conversations or even spy on your coworkers. Third on our list is the Thermal Imaging Monocular. This device uses infrared technology to create an image of the heat being emitted by objects. It can be used for a variety of legitimate purposes such as hunting, search and rescue, and surveillance, but it can also be used for illegal activities such as poaching or surveillance without consent. The device can be used to detect heat signatures of animals, which can be used for illegal hunting. It can also be used to detect the heat signatures of people, which can be used for illegal surveillance. It's important to know the laws and regulations in your area before using this device. Imagine being able to see through walls and detect the heat signatures of people or animals. Fourth, we have the TESLONG 256x192 Handheld Digital Infrared Night Vision Telescope. This device is a portable digital night vision telescope that can be used for hunting, camping, and surveillance. It can also be used for illegal activities such as poaching or surveillance without consent. The device can be used to detect heat signatures of animals, which can be used for illegal hunting. It can also be used to detect the heat signatures of people, which can be used for illegal surveillance. It's important to know the laws and regulations in your area before using this device. Imagine being able to see in complete darkness and spot your prey from miles away. With this telescope, you can see almost anything, but we can't see anything unless you like this video and show us some love. And while you're at it, subscribe for more Best Cool Tech videos. Fifth, we have the weather-resistant heat vision goggles optic spotting scope camera for night hunting outdoor camping travel. This device is designed for hunting, and it's illegal in many states and countries. It's important to know the laws and regulations in your area before using this device. Not only is night hunting illegal in many places, but it's also a serious safety hazard for the animals and other people in the area. That being said, these goggles can be used to track animals at night, which can be used for illegal hunting. They can also be used to track people, which can be used for illegal surveillance. Imagine being able to spot your prey at night and track them through the dark. Sixth, we have the hidden spy cameras. These devices can be used for legitimate surveillance, but they can also be used for illegal activities such as voyeurism. The potential for abuse of these devices is high, as they can be used to secretly record people without their consent. This is a serious violation of privacy and can lead to legal consequences. It's important to know the laws and regulations in your area before using these devices and make sure that you have the consent of all parties involved. Imagine being able to spy on anyone, anywhere, at any time. 7. Nunchucks. These martial arts weapons are banned in many states and countries and can cause serious injury if used improperly. The use of nunchucks can be dangerous as it requires proper training and skill to use them without causing harm to oneself or others. Make sure to start with training nunchucks like the ones found in the description. Improper use of nunchucks can lead to serious injury, including broken bones and head trauma. It's important to know the laws and regulations in your area before buying or using nunchucks. It's also important to train properly with a certified instructor before using them. Imagine being able to master the art of the nunchucks and take your martial arts skills to the next level. 8th, next up, we have a USB destruct device. This device is designed to destroy data on a USB drive and should only be used with caution. It's important to know that destroying data can be illegal in some cases, and it's important to research the laws in your area before using this device. Additionally, if used improperly, it can permanently destroy important data or information, causing serious financial or personal loss. Imagine being able to destroy any data at any time with the press of a button. Simply upload it and select the drive to destruct. Then boom. All of the data on the hard disk you selected is gone, and you can get this item on Amazon with the link in the description. Number 9, and in case you use the USB destruct and lost all of your data on accident, we have the computer password reset and data recovery tools for Windows on 8 GB USB flash drive. This tool is designed to reset passwords and recover data, but it can also be used for illegal activities such as hacking. The potential for abuse of this tool is high, as it can be used to gain unauthorized access to computer systems. It's important to use this tool only for legitimate purposes and make sure that you have the consent of the owner of the computer before using it. Imagine being able to reset passwords and recover data at will. Also, you can plug this device in to gain access to systems you may not have had access to before. 10th, we have a must-have for you up next, the spray-on photo blocker for license plates. This device is designed to make license plates unreadable to cameras, but it's illegal in many states and countries. The use of this product may be considered as obstructing justice and can lead to serious legal consequences. It can also be used to conceal the identity of a vehicle, which can be used for illegal activities. It's important to know the laws and regulations in your area before using this product. Imagine being able to evade the law with the spray of a can. 11. We have the self-defense keychain. This device is a small keychain that can be used as a weapon in self-defense situations. However, it can also be used for illegal activities such as assault. The potential for abuse of this device is high, as it can be used to cause serious injury or even death. It's important to know the laws and regulations in your area before using this device and to only use it as a last resort in self-defense situations. It's also important to seek proper training before using this device. Imagine being able to protect yourself at all times with this discreet keychain weapon. And last but certainly not least, we have the grappling hook folding claw multifunctional stainless steel hook for outdoor survival. This device can be used for a variety of legitimate purposes, such as rock climbing, rappelling, or rescue operations, but it can also be used for illegal activities such as breaking and entering. The potential for abuse of this device is high, as it can be used to gain unauthorized access to buildings or structures, but it's also a badass piece of gear to keep on you in case you need to scale a building like Batman. Of course, it's important to know the laws and regulations in your area before using this device and make sure that you have the proper training and safety equipment before using it. Imagine being able to scale buildings and climb mountains with ease. This grappling hook will get you there. And with its foldable grapples, you can pack it easily in any bug-out bag or day pack. While these gadgets may seem cool or useful, they can also be dangerous and illegal. It's important to remember that laws and regulations vary by location, so it's always best to research the laws and regulations in your area before purchasing any of these items. It's also important to use these gadgets responsibly and with caution. So, which one are you ready to tempt fate with? The flamethrower for your car or the night vision telescope? Let us know in the comments and make sure to hit that like button if you found something that calls to your inner daredevil. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.